Hello, everyone. My name is Connor Dorn, and I am a junior physical and health education major here at Canisius College. I am on the cross country, indoor, and outdoor track teams here, and I've been running now for about 8 years. I also was involved in athletics growing up as a young kid. I played, baseball all the way up until I was 17. I played soccer. I was wrestling for a little while. I swam throughout high school as well. So I've been involved in a broad range of athletics in my life, and it's just something that I really enjoy doing. And that's one of the reasons I got into physical education. Actually, is to help people understand that there is more to being active and healthy than just sports and the competitive aspect of it. But I also do very much enjoy coaching and helping people strive to be better in their sport and to be better people. One coaching experience that I've had and I've been involved in recently is I work at the Buffalo Police Athletic League. I do youth after school programs at various elementary and middle schools around Buffalo. Right now we're doing flag football. It's very fun. The kids love it, and I get to kind of hang out with them and be sort of a mentor and an authority figure for them. They get to learn from me, and the more information that I have and the more knowledge that I have to be able to give to people like that, the better. And that is one reason why I'm taking this class.